Well, what's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. Thanks again for tuning in. If the quality of the video is a little bit on the low side, I apologize ahead of time. I'm using my traveling trading station to make this video right now, so the equipment isn't as top-notch as it usually be if I'm at my at-home studio. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to look at Google and Google Trends to track when penny stocks are going to be good to trade. This is super simple. Any of you guys can do this, but the reason I'm making this video is to try and open your eyes as a trader and understand the market a little bit better. So as a trader that's been doing this for a long time, what I've come to find, and many other traders come to find, it's no secret that in the summertime, the whole stock market will slow down a little bit. Less volatility, less big moves on stocks, okay? It makes it a little bit more challenging as a trader to make money, for one. Two, the penny stock market dramatically slows down in the summer. Now, there's still going to be some good plays in the penny stock market here and there, but it's not going to be anything like the winter season. The winter season, we tend to see a lot of penny stocks gapping up, gapping down, going on big runs, turning into supernovas. But throughout the summer, that's going to decrease far more. It's not going to be as consistent as it would be in the wintertime. So if you're someone who primarily focuses on trading penny stocks, it's something that you should know that in the wintertime, the penny stocks are going to slow down. So if that's the only thing you focus on trading, it's going to be much, much harder for you to trade because you're so niched on penny stocks, and then the penny stocks are going to slow down. You're going to find yourself not finding as many good plays, not finding as many big runners. And if you only trade penny stocks, then you're going to find yourself trading penny stocks that you probably shouldn't be trading on any one of these given days that you might be trading them. You might start forcing different trades or forcing the setups that aren't really there, and that's because the penny stock market slows down in the summer and it's not as hot. So what I'm going to do is just show you with a simple technique. Go to Google, type in Google Trends, all right? Once you get here, click it. You're going to type in penny stocks. And ideally, what this is going to do for you is Google is going to use all the data on the internet, and they're going to show you when the penny stock market starts to trend and when it's becoming more active. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on a larger time frame so that the data is more accurate. If you just go over the past 12 months, you may not get as much accurate data, but if we go back for the past, I mean, I guess we could do from 2004 to the present, and let's see what kind of information we come up with here. Chances are you're going to see a spike in the charts near the winter or through the winter season. So let's take a look. This big spike here in 2004 was in December, okay? This big spike here was in May, okay? Let's see where it's spiking: June, July, August, December. Here's another one up here in February, another big one up here, and that would be in February, December. Let's see what we have: March, February, January, December, January. So you can see the ultra big spikes are going to tend to be right in that winter season, okay? Most of the time, these big spikes are going to be right in the winter season. So let's look at them. We have a big spike here. That was in December. We got another spike here. That was in February, kind of going into April, December. Again, let's see what this spike is in here. February. Where's that spike? Spike's in October, going into the winter. Okay, look at these spikes. Okay, so the penny stock market was kind of hot throughout July, even August, this whole summer here. So really, this whole year was pretty good for penny stocks through 2009. Then we kind of dipped out in May, July in 2010. Then we spiked back up in January of 2011. Then we come dipping back down into July into the summer. We spike back up in January in 2012. Then we dip back down into, the summertime of 2012. Then we go back up into the wintertime of 2014, back down in the summertime, back up in the winter, okay? So just by using Google Trends, you can see when penny stocks become more active. So just by using this, you now know as a trader that in the summertime, if you're not finding as many plays within the penny stock market, that's because you're just not in the right season for penny stock. So this is something I've learned as a trader and something I've seen throughout the many years of trading, is that in the summertime, it's going to slow down. So if you're constantly looking for a penny stock to trade throughout the summertime and you're not finding any, that's because you're in the wrong season. And what this can lead you to do is start trading bad setups or penny stocks that just aren't really good. So what you want to do as a trader, you need to diversify a little bit. If you solely focus on trading penny stocks, you're going to have a harder time trading and making income throughout the summertime. But if you can diversify your trading, trade penny stocks, maybe even look into options trading, get into trading mid caps, large caps, earnings reports, if you can learn to diversify your trading a little bit, you're going to find that it's much easier for you to make money consistently throughout the year in terms of consistently having things to trade. But if you're only niched on penny stocks, it's going to be like a seasonal job in theory, right? A seasonal job. Okay, you're not going to have as much activity in the summer, but you're going to pick up in the winter. And you want to be able to consistently have opportunity all the way throughout the year. So if you're only niched on penny stocks, you're going to find it's a little bit more challenging in the summertime. So this video is solely based just to help you guys look at the big picture of the market and the big picture of your trading, so that way you can diversify a little bit and find yourself having more opportunity throughout the whole year. So I really want to make this video. It's been on my mind for quite some time. So I hope you guys like the video. I hope that helps. I hope that makes you think a little bit different about the market. And if you guys ever want to join me and our trading team, feel free to check out the links in the description below. We got a big trading community, free chat rooms, services. So you should definitely check that out in the link below. Other than that, guys, have a great time, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Everybody, take care.